Hey girlfriend, welcome back. I am kid free for the weekend. Hallelujah. So what I'll be doing is spending the next few days just resetting. I want to get back to the basics and just start with a fresh, clean foundation to start the week. This past week has been very busy, very chaotic, so I just want to reset. It's necessary, it's needed. So today I plan on tending to all of the things that I've neglected over the past few days, or neglected in general. So the baseboards, the walls, as you can see, are a little dirty because the little one likes to climb on the couch. The fan and laundry are my main things to do today, and then tomorrow I'll go grocery shopping, and then Sunday will be more of a self-care Sunday, but a reset for the week. So I hope this motivates anyone who is in need of a reset. Hey guys, we are now in Target. I'm really liking this Gain brand, this Blissful Breeze. I actually want to try it in the powder. I go back and forth between powder and detergent, but they don't have any in powder. I've been wanting, okay, maybe we'll just try the flings. I'm gonna try the Blissful Breeze. What are you guys? Are you guys Tide or Gain? I used to be Tide, but I feel like Gain has a better lather. I don't know. But yeah, so they don't have the Blissful Breeze. They only have it in the original.
Oh, we only have the sprays.
Okay, so for dryer sheets, this is actually my favorite. As you can see, they have them hidden and it's not that many left. So I love the fabric softener in this scent. They also have it in the scent Filled Flowers, but this one is in the scent Morning Sun. It's just a very fresh scent. Okay, so next we're looking for bleach. I actually want to give these a try. I've never used these Clorox bleach packs. But then I was also debating between this OxyClean White Revival. Have any of you guys tried either of the two? I think I'm gonna go with the bleach packs and see what that does.
Wasn't looking for a lover. Nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So then you and you, but so you and I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different, and it had to be you. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. My baby, it had to be you. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my friend.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can see all of this dust. That's nasty. This is the crown molding, by the way. And this is on top of the bed. It's actually pretty embarrassing. And it's all from the fan here. Look how nasty and dusty that is. Girl, spring cleaner should have it for me a long time ago.
I've been thinking about you. Oh yeah. Oh, there ain't no one else that does the things that you do to me. That's why okay, babe, all I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe, all I wanna ask you is, are you down for, are you up for, I wanna be together, babe, I want you, I'll be the one you trust, you're all that matters, all that matters. Are you down for, are you up for, I wanna be together, I wanna be together. Babe, I want you, I want your love, I'll be the one you trust, you're all that matters, all that matters to me. When I go with confidence, when I go live around like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right.
So as some of you may know, I currently purchased a duplex, and right now we're living in the back until the front is renovated. So this is our part of our makeshift closet. I know it's a mess, it's, you know, but hey. So I'm just moving all of the shoes that were worn over the last week, and honestly, I'm just throwing them in here because at this
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody.
yum 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 yum. It should be more than that. You don't worry, I don't have you in here. What do you mean guess again?